Welcome to VL Extras, the hub for all things tech and creativity. Have you ever thought about what it feels like to turn your own selfie into a full-feature video doing stuff you can never imagine, like skydiving or riding your cat? Well, Pika says the time is now. Meet Pika 2.0, the groundbreaking evolution from the masterminds at Pika Labs. If you thought their first release was impressive, you haven't seen anything yet. Get ready to discover how this incredible AI tool puts the power of Hollywood right in your hands, and say adios to Sora and VO2. In a previous segment, we explored the inspiring journey of Pika Labs and its visionary founder. If you haven't seen it yet, make sure to click on the card above. From humble beginnings to revolutionizing video creation, Pika 1.0 captured the hearts of creators worldwide. And now, Pika 2.0 is here to push those boundaries even further. So, what is Pika 2.0? It's an AI-powered text-to-video and image-to-video creation platform. But calling it just a platform doesn't capture its essence. Pika 2.0 is a creative engine designed to turn the wildest ideas into stunning dynamic videos. At the heart of this magic is the brand new Scene Ingredients feature. With Scene Ingredients, you can build your video element by element. Want to be the hero in a cyberpunk metropolis? Upload a selfie, set the scene, and boom, it's done. Want a giant cat racing through a neon-lit city? Drop it in and it's yours. The possibilities are endless. And then there's the text alignment. Pika 2.0 doesn't just visualize your prompts. It perfects them. Every frame aligns seamlessly with your narrative, creating videos that flow logically and beautifully. From playful TikToks to brand videos and cinematic short films, Pika 2.0 ensures that your imagination becomes reality, precisely how you envision it. Let's talk about how you can get started with Pika 2.0. It's ridiculously simple. Log in with Google, Facebook, or Discord, and you're ready to go. Here's a quick guide to using the game-changing Scene Ingredients feature. Upload a photo, like a selfie or your pet, and Pika instantly transforms it into a dynamic video element. Adjust prompts or replace elements to match your vision. Want a sci-fi setting instead of a forest? Done. Hit the generate button and watch your video come to life in real time. It's that fast and intuitive. So, why does this matter? Because Pika 2.0 is more than a tool. It's a storytelling revolution. For marketers, it means creating stunning ads without a production team. For influencers, it's about standing out with unique, eye-catching content. For creators, it's about pushing boundaries and telling stories like never before. And here's the best part. Pika Labs is offering free, unlimited access to Pika 2.0 until December 22, 2024. That's right. You can unleash your creativity and explore its features without spending a dime. What are you waiting for? Head over to Pika Labs' website, sign up, and start creating your dream videos today. Whether you're an artist, entrepreneur, or just someone with a story to tell, Pika 2.0 is here to make it happen. Remember, this free offer won't last forever, so don't miss out.
A new AI video generator just dropped. It is better than Sora, better than Runway, beats everything, and it has some insane features. Pika just released version 2.0, and it's crazy. Testing it out, video generators hate this prompt. First, I'm going to show you Sora and Runway's generation. You can see they always use this weird style. Maybe it's the lack of training data. Let's see how Kling and Minimax does. Still not that good. Weird output. Slightly getting closer though. Now Pika. Bam. By far the best generation. The 2.0 update is beast. Now testing image to video. It has some of the best motion I have seen. Other generators struggle to make this robotic llama walk on a treadmill. Pika had no problems at all. They've also added one of the best features I've seen called Ingredients, where you can mix images together to make a video. At Homeless, I used these pictures. Impressive and accurate. It did a great job. Matt singing on stage to an audience. Bam, so good. The applications for Ingredients is endless. You can use it for product videos, videos where you want consistent characters. It's amazing. Of course, this generator could improve. I find at the end of the generations it could go a bit weird, but overall, Pika is #1 again. Good job, Pika team. If you want to try it out, go to pika.art. It comes with some free generations, and to use 2.0, you need to spend $35 per month.
So the last time that I used Pika Labs was back in March 2024. They were the first video generator to release a lip sync feature. And since then, Pika have been quiet. I know they released the Pika 1.5 model, but to be honest, I didn't even think it was worth trying. But Pika have been cooking, and they just released this new 2.0 model, which comes with this new feature called Scene Ingredient. It essentially allows you to upload a combination of images consisting of a character, a setting, or even an object, and then generating them into one scene. Anyway, let's have a closer look. First things first, you need at least the Pro plan to use the 2.0 model, okay? Now the interface still looks the same. It's only a few adjustments that have been made. So at the top here, you can actually click on templates and it gives you a bunch of options to try. So let's click on this one. When you click use template, what it does down at the bottom here, it pre-populates the prompt and even the actual character. So let's get rid of this character and let's upload an image of me. So the image that I'm going to use is just a head-on image. So I'll just use this one. Boom. And let's click generate. And here's the video. It's me flying in the sky. And I just want to start off by saying that this is just one image of me. This is not a trained model. And the fact that it was able to produce something so consistent with what I look like is actually quite shocking at how good this is. Now here's one of me and my friend at the cinema, and even this came out extremely well. Like that literally is my head and that's my friend's head as well. And I just want to clear one thing. That's my friend. Don't try and twist anything, all right? Then I tried one of me and Elon. You know what? This one's not helping my cause either. Did we have to lock eyes like that? Like I did one of me and Donald Trump. Yeah, look, to be honest, the one of Donald Trump doesn't really come out too well. Now, this one wasn't actually a template. This one I just wrote walking into a bar and I just uploaded the image of myself. So this one was actually quite good as well. Now, this is actually my favorite one. It's one of Elon and Sam Altman, and they both came out extremely well. And the timing of this is actually great because right now, Elon and Sam are actually having a massive feud. OpenAI is like posting about Elon. Elon's using the government to slow them down. So it was just perfect timing.
Thanks for watching VL Extras. If you love this dive into Pika 2.0, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing tech stories. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep dreaming big. See you soon.